Hello. Today I'm gonna show you how to search for stock that I'm looking at, Vanguard fund that I'm looking at. I normally just go to see if this one is benefit for me to buy it or not. And sometimes it depends on how much minimum investment should I actually have to put in. Some Vanguard fund might only need $1,000. Some of them you just need to buy one share or two share you could start with, and it doesn't require you to have like $1,000, $3,000 at start. So first, I need to go to Yahoo, and I use Yahoo as my comparison to see how the fund's doing. And I'm looking at this Vanguard. Okay, look like it's not working. Let's just go back. Maybe I'm typing too fast. Okay, so Vanguard S&P 500 Grow Index Fund. So this is what I'm looking at. I already have some share for Vanguard S&P 500, and right now it grow to about above $300 per share. So this one is another one that I'm looking at right now. So per share is $218.98. So, and the expense ratio is 10%. I'm also looking at historical data to see the dividend pay. And click on dividend and then click apply. You can see it pay not bad, 0.5 per share. Okay, let's see the performance. So far, it's doing very good. So 1 month is 4.12%, and for 3 months, it's 25.94%. And let's go to the chart. So it have been doing good when the COVID-19 pandemic hit. It dropped down to $129 per share, and now it is up to 218 per share. I'm looking at holding sometime because I want to make sure the grade of the index fund itself and who holding it, and what type of a company that is in the fund. So they have Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Alphabet, Visa, MasterCard, and NVIDIA Corp, and Home Depot. So this is what they invest in the fund itself. So we have financial services is 10%, healthcare is 10%, and technology is 32%. So they invest a lot into a technology, and the higher investment is technology and consumer uh, purchasing. Let's go to risk. Again, I'm not an expert at looking at this, but I'm trying to look at all the data that can give it to me while I'm thinking about buying it. So and also look at the summary part to see the expense ratio is 0.10, so 0.10%, a little bit higher than VOO, Vanguard S&P 500. It's only 0.04%. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to Vanguard itself, the Vanguard website, to look at the data that Vanguard giving for this fund. So if you type it in VOOG and it say Vanguard S&P 500 grow, it did not specify the minimum start, so you can just buy one share at $218 per share. So on Vanguard website, it actually tell you the risk potential is at number 4. And we can see also performance average of annual return. Since inception in 2010, it had 16% for annual average return. And for 1 year annual return is 17%. So they're doing very good. As I mentioned earlier, the communication service, they invest 12%, and information technologies 40%. So a little bit different data from Yahoo website. And they also invest into PayPal Holding Inc. and Netflix. So let's see price and performance through Vanguard website. So it went down $129 per share on August 23rd. That is when the coronavirus hit. And the highest was 219 on August 28th, which is yesterday. So if I need to buy, I just have to click here and then log into my Vanguard account. But I'm not going to do that today. And I'm also look at the portfolio and management to see what actually the agri characteristic. Portfolio is large cap, grow, and this is the portfolio and diversification inside all of these agri sector. Let's see the fee itself. So the fee is per $10,000 invested for over 10 years. The fee you probably pay $236, and so that's not bad. Let's see the distribution. So this is the dividend that they pay to the shareholder. So I can see March, April, May, June. So every 3 months they uh, give the dividend to the shareholder. And also I like to click the last part. Sometimes they don't have anything on it. So this is a good fund to buy. I'm planning to buy it when I have enough cash. I right now have about $1,000 in my money market. So I might need to wait a little bit. Let me see. I was looking at both. I was gonna buy this one, VOO, Vanguard S&P 500, but VOO is a little bit pricey right now. But I have so far 7 shares. So uh, VOOG, compared to VOOG, the growth of Vanguard S&P 500 index fund, VOOG do a little bit better of the annual average annual return. They invest pretty much almost in the same uh, company. So the expense ratio now is 0.03 for VOO. I think a lot of investors is looking at the expense ratio, but VOOG, the Vanguard S&P 500 Grow Index Fund, they have expense ratio 0.10%, so it's a little bit higher than this one. When I bought this fund, it was 0.04%, I believe. So this is how I make my decision to buy the fund or not, based on my um, research on the expense ratio and also average annual return to see how the fund's doing itself. So this is you diversify your fund into one index fund, diversify your investment into one index fund so you don't feel like you invest only one individual stock. Okay, that's it for today. And next time I will show you how to actually purchase it. Actually, we can just do it right now to see if you can purchase it or not. Let's just see, go back to VOOG and see if you can click buy, and then after that, what does it take you to? Okay, you have to lock in. So because of the privacy issues, I just gonna take you to this area right here, and then if you have the um, lock-in number, you could just log in and then trying to do your own research and then purchase the index fund VOOG. And today is Saturday, so the stock market is open on Monday. Vanguard will be processing your request on Monday. Well, thank you for watching, and hopefully you have a great day. We talk to you later. Bye bye.